Hello, this is Louder reporting from Mount Scott High School, where they're reading The Immortal Life of Henrietta Lacks. This is about a woman whose cells never die and helped to find the cure for polio and many other diseases. But the thing is that they didn't have permission to take them. So there is a huge controversy on whether or not people believe this was morally or immorally correct. What do you think?
This is Harth. I've been reading The Immortal Life of Henrietta Lacks, and I was wondering, do you think your cells belong to you after a doctor removes them?
I have never thought about that question before. Without doing a lot of looking into it, my initial reaction would say, yeah, they're part of you, you own them. I mean, if you don't own your cells, what else on this earth do we own?
Yeah.
So.
I have to agree.
Okay. What conclusion did they come about in the book?
That they use their cells for doctors everywhere, and they made advancements in science and medicine.
So they're really valuable. But she's dead, right?
Yeah.
So like, I guess I wonder, if she had kids, does she have kids?
Yep.
So her cells are alive, her DNA is alive in her kids, so that's the closest thing to that, so they kind of should get part of that.
That makes sense.
I wouldn't want my cells to be living on. I mean, I guess I would. I would want my cells to be living on, because that would be useful to mankind. But I think the proper, they should be acknowledged that they were my cells and that my family should get benefit from that. Any other questions?
No, I guess that's it. Thank you for your time.
Hi, my name's Miranda, and I've been reading the book The Immortal Life of Henrietta Lacks, and I was wondering if you think your cells still belong to you even after a doctor removes them.
Well, I do believe that my cells are my own. However, I would like to believe that if medical science can be advanced through the use of my cells after I'm dead, then I'm okay with that.
Yeah, I think so too. Alright, that's the only question I have for you.
That's it? That's the only question? But this was my time to shine. I had things to say. I had songs to sing.
I think we'll keep that in the video.
Our class has been reading The Immortal Life of Henrietta Lacks, and I have a few questions for you. So first, do you think it's okay do you think your cells are still yours if your doctor takes them from you?
Well, I think the important part about that is that the doctor's taken it from me. And so I would have to ask and say, if the doctor took it from me without consent?
Without consent.
Then no. Well, yes, I think that they're still mine. And if the doctor took it from me, taking means that they didn't ask. To me, if I consented to it, I'd be giving it. And so it kind of depends. They're part of me all of the time, no matter what. But if it was taken from me, then I feel like I still get to hold on to it. If I gave it willingly away, it's still part of me, but I'm comfortable with it being out there.
Do you think they're still yours?
Yeah, to some degree, they still are. I mean, because it's very unique to me. It's my genetic makeup, and so even if other people are using them, they're still part of me. They're still mine. I don't know if I own them, but they're definitely my cells.
Would you be okay if a doctor stole them from you and made money off them and did use them for medical research to cure polio?
Well, I would be glad if my cells helped to cure something, but I wouldn't want someone to profit off of it without asking me. So if they stole it and they took it from me, absolutely not. It's not fair to steal it and take it. That wouldn't mean that I wouldn't be excited or happy if good things came from it. But I feel like the big part of it is getting the permission to ask. If you just take, you know.
Yeah.
It's
The
your
immortal life of
cells.
Henrietta Lacks. Do you think that it's okay for a doctor to take your cells without permission?
Absolutely not. Absolutely not. The without the permission part kind of terrifies me.
Yeah. Do you believe that your cells should still be yours after they have been taken from you?
If they were taken with permission, then I don't see personally for me that would be that big a deal. I of course would like to know that any research would be for the benefit and not hurting people. But again, that's my own personal, opinions and philosophies. Although I completely understand other people's perspective that it's not okay for that. I respect that.
What if you died or something and then they discovered that your cells just kept multiplying? Would you be all right with them using those in that case?
That's my point. On a larger level, if the research was to help human beings feel better and help them actually live better, then I don't think I would have minded it. But with us as a species, most likely that research would be for good, but also there'd be some downsides where I'm sure some research would be hurting people. And that's where I'm really not okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a good answer.
Thank you.